Hey everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Simon always wants to make Australia great again and keep trying and trying and trying. And today I still trying, okay? Anyway, today I have the car, the Falcon EF Family gear. You know, in previous videos, we've been replaced the engine, replace and prepare the control panel box, and everything worked. We went to the shop and refilled the gas. It cost me $150 to put the green stuff on and test. There is no leak at all on the gas. It's good, but when we turn on, the pump is spinning but not enough compressed air, so that's not making cool. So it's not making cool because of this one. It's not cold. That's it. Make simple, easy. Just say straight away. One a hot line and one a cold line. It's compressed and it's turned, but it's just a little bit firm cold. So when we touching one of the line, you don't see it cold. It's not cold. Easy. So what we have to do is order second-hand air compressor. In here look new, but it doesn't new. It's working good. Okay. So same away. Take up the fan. Take up the air box. And replace the air conditioning for you. This is how you should do, and when it's in the car, and Simon will show you how to take it up when this one in the car. Okay, I have to replace the second-hand one on, so it will cost me $150 for refill the gas and check leaking, and throw in the bin with all that money. $150. When I finish pull them out, I put them in here. We're gonna chuck them all in the bin too. So let's stay tuned and we're gonna do it. Same way in the car. Take up the air box here and leave this on one side if you want. Okay, and then here we go. Put on one side. Doesn't matter where you want to go. Up to you. Up to you. Okay. Yeah, put it here. Wouldn't hurt. And if you want, take up the fan. So much easy for you to enter your hand into the tensioner. You guys out there have to remember, every car, every model, when you take your car to do air conditioning refill or regas, they're not guaranteed for how long, because the gas and the air conditioning, they normally leaking, so they would never know. They would never guarantee you. So this one, take up the fan like this. Very simple. On the Falcon, I would say on the Falcon 6-cylinder, the most easy car ever to replace the air compressor is right there. And you can see it's a lot of room when you took up this one and that one. See, it's a lot of room. So that is really good about this one is replace the air compressor. Even the Honda K24, we have a trouble with them. It's really hard to replace the air compressor. Toyota, Honda is very difficult. Okay, so we take this one, loose the tensioner, and we take this one out like that. Okay, we just put it there. Okay, very simple. So you can take this one out and take this one, adapter, lead adapter number 13, and don't hurt yourself. Always use the energy saver. Okay, because we put them on by radar gun, so I don't want you to hurt yourself. See, very easy, man. So where my bar, so this one perfect go in, but I don't know will my ratchets will handle it. Okay, just try. Whatever it is, just a ratchets, man, don't worry. If it's broken, we buy a new one. Okay, it's coming out. It coming out slowly. Yes. So one more. See that two. Oh shit. Yep. Oh man. Let's see, come out. Yep. Oh. Push it back a little bit. Okay. Oh shit. Now we can do the top one and bring them out. See, you don't need nothing to holding there. If you wish, you can put your other hand here, hold it there, and this one chuck it in the bin. I will put on my car. We will go for scrap metal tomorrow. If anyone want to come with me, please put your name down. Put your name down on the list, and we will take you to scrap metals. Okay, put this one down. Go everywhere. Go everywhere. Okay, cut him out, baby. Cut him out, baby. That's it. This one look really new. Okay, look really new, but it's to be honest, it's fucking inside. Okay, sound good, look new, but it's inside it's shit itself. And this one like the BAU the same. So my friend put the blocker. Oh man, pull them up slowly, don't let anything drop in. Hey, this guy dangerous, man. He put this one here, and if I can't lift that up, I'll be doomed. Okay, put in the car. When you turn, yes, I can feel the compression. Yes, you hear? No compression. See this one? See, when you test, you can hear. That means the compression in here good. This one, the compression weak. That's why not enough compressed air to get it cold. Last time it was my fault. I will have so confidence. I thought it was the control panel, and I took it up. I see gas in here still, and I thought it's still working good. But I forgot to test, see they got any compression or not. I will forgot. So this is how you should test. So if you have one, okay, if you have one or two, you buy before you buy second-hand one. You want to know the air compressor working good or bad. You ask two people, put one finger here and one finger here. But I have no two people. They go like this, okay, and press it. You see the when it block, it see the compression. See, they turn back. So that means it have see. I try to turn. See the compression. See, they pull back the. See, they pull back the. See, they pull back the clutch. So that means, see, even you can hear the air come out. Okay, that's the second-hand one, and this is the one that from the car previous. And I forgot to test them because I saw the gas inside. I thought it's still good. See this one? When I spin, completely hold it better. Completely not create any air. See? So that's how you test the second-hand air compressor when you go and buy a second-hand one. This is how you should test, okay? And you should know it's working or not. Close these two holes as much as you could and spin. And if the air don't make any air, so this one no good. This one I will think I have so much confidence, and I thought it's working good on the old car. I thought it just because the control panel, but it turned out it's not. It's my fault. Okay, first one always okay, in, and slide the bolt on for two of these. These two bolts, slide them on before you put the first one on, because it's very far away. Not many room for the wall here. See, this one out first, this one out here, and the bottom ones. Okay, we put the top one to hold it there. Okay, don't put anything in yet. Top ones. Oh, with this one. Okay. Oh shit, man. It's quite a heavy, man. I'm getting old, brother. Okay, we just lift up and I put the first one on, and we are loving. Okay, don't worry about the bottom ones. Just put the first one on for a few turns. Okay, we are loving. That's it. And now this one, you can slide this back one out, slide the bolt and put in one by one. It's all yours, brother. Pull back. Yep, all yours. Okay, one. Put it here. That's it. And bottom one more. Put the bolt back. Pull this one back. Yep. Put the bolt in. That's it. Okay. Okay. We have to refill the gas again. Cost me another $150 for put the green stop leaking testing, leak test, and go from there and fill the gas in. Another $150. What a waste. So my fault. Still have to spray every now and then for make sure the gas, the rings is sitting properly. See, we very careful on that. Okay, we really need the O-rings sprayed in properly, and it no leak at all. That's what we need. Tight. Done. I guarantee my bolt will be last for 10 years without broken. But on any other parts, I have no guarantee for it. Okay, we put the belt back on. All we do is suck it back here. Suck it back here. Very simple, easy, and instant noodles. Instant noodles, see? Very easy and instant noodles. Go back. Okay. Done. Okay, that's it. Check for all the groups going properly. Oh shit, my tools. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And put everything back. And yeah, second-hand air compressor test were good, and that one no compression at all. Hey guys, thanks for watching Simon 2. This is how you replace air compressor for the Ford Falcon